Good evening, I'm meteorologist Bo Dodson. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening, and we do have some very intense thunderstorms across portions of our area. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has not issued any watches yet, but they continue to monitor this area. Northern counties, let's say Jefferson County for one of them, we do have some very heavy storms that have formed over the last few hours. Some of these have high winds. Been watching this one in particular, showing some weak rotation, but definitely showing some high wind signatures. We also have heavy thunderstorms developing further west here in southwest across portions of the northern parts of southeast Missouri, a little bit out of my forecast area, but some of these will spread east northeast over the coming hours. One thing, if you notice here, you notice this training. The storms are moving over the same areas. Now that could produce some pockets of flash flooding. The precipitative water values are above 2 inches right now. Any thunderstorms that form could produce very heavy rainfall. Let's zoom in just a little bit. Let's take a look. Here is Mount Vernon. You see Centralia. This is a heavy thunderstorm that's been slowly moving off to the east northeast over the last 30 minutes, dropping some very heavy rain. I don't know if I can switch over here to the base velocity. You can see some stronger winds showing up on radar. Some of that is probably mixing down to the surface, so I would not be a bit surprised if there were some 40, 50 mile per hour wind gusts. I notice this is bowing out a little bit as well. You can see here it's about 6 o'clock as I make this video, so be time sensitive on this. It will continue to move eastward, at least northern parts of Jefferson County. I just sent a text out for you concerning this thunderstorm with the potential for high winds. You notice the storm also trails back, so more of Jefferson County may also get involved in that storm as the evening wears on. Continuing to watch this area, I showed you some models about an hour or two ago that showed this area filling in quite a bit and a whole line of storms moving across our area this evening and tonight. Now, the HRRR model was probably overdone because at this point at 6 o'clock it had a band of storms further south and east and more widespread. But it may have the general idea for parts of southeast Missouri and southern Illinois that you are going to have showers and thunderstorms tonight. The further north and west you travel, the better the chances. How far this area moves over the coming hours is questionable. The better lift and the boundary is over our northern counties. So that's going to be the focus for now. Maybe later tonight, some of that will continue to spread further south and east. We'll keep an eye on radar. But for now, I just wanted to update you on the radar. This is where the heaviest thunderstorms are, and some of the storms are becoming either severe or near severe levels now entering Jefferson County. If your family has been considering a storm shelter, then check out Endrizi Storm Shelters. Located in southern Illinois, family owned and operated. They will deliver and install over parts of southern Illinois and western Kentucky.